Hello friends, welcome to our channel Quick Talk. Through this channel we want to update you regarding various tax and other issues in very short period of time. In today's edition we will talk about mantras for creation of wealth in the stock market. So let's begin. The stock market is touching new high every day and many of us have benefited a lot from this bull run. However, with market at the new high, creating fresh wealth is getting tougher now. In this video, we will discuss some of the mantras for creation of the wealth and hope it will definitely help you in your investment goals. The financial year 2021 has seen record number of demat account addition as compared to financial year 1920. Roughly double the accounts were opened in financial year 2021 as compared to financial year 1920. This shows more individuals are coming to the stock market with more disposable income and time at their end. However, the gain that investor enjoyed in financial year 2021 is not easy to replicate. So now it is important to follow some mantras to make wise investment decision for the periods ahead. Let us discuss few important mantras here. First rule should be picking quality stock irrespective of investment duration for short or long period. Here we must check for the following parameters, that is return on equity, price is to earning ratio, debt is to equity ratio, earning growth in the past, quality of the management of the company, treatment of the minority shareholders by the company. Secondly, we must look for quality of management of the company where we are planning to invest. As it is said, average business run by quality management becomes great, but great businesses run by average management may fail. Thirdly, we must look for the growth prospect with product or services having advantage over their competitor, because if such power is enjoyed by business, then it will have power to determine the cost of product or services without much interference from their competitor. We should also preserve the capital invested, especially in the market with downward trend, where we must be ready to book initial loss instead of averaging the assets with purchase of more stocks in hope that someday its prices will bounce back. This is very important, as generally what we try to do when the market is getting down, we are trying to purchase more stock hoping that its price will be averaged and one day the price will bounce back, will earn the profit. We should avoid this kind of temptation. Apart from the ways discussed earlier, there are many more that can be followed to create wealth. We should look for the some item in profit and loss account and other item in the balance sheet to spot a quality stock. The item that we should look into profit and loss account should be sales of a company must grow by more than 15%. Then the operating profit margin. Operating profit is the sales less cost directly attributed to the sales must be greater than 15%. Profit after tax must be greater than 15%. Similarly, in the balance sheet, we should look into ratio of debt is to equity, which should be ideally less than 1 or it should be around the industry average. Then the return on equity must be greater than 15%. Then the market capitalization must be fairly good, that is it must be greater than 500 crore if we want to analyze any stock. These are the sum of the parameters that must be looked into. The better way always will be to give you your money to the professional money managers and get benefit of their understanding of the investments. And lastly, it is always advised to be an investor rather than trader, where we are investing for fairly long period. This is all for today's edition. We hope that this video will help you on this topic. Do let us know if you want us to make video on any other topic and kindly give your feedback. Don't forget to like and subscribe us. Thank you very much for being with us. Jai Hind.